Okay, I got a part two here for this toggle switch. And this one up here that I made the video for works pretty well if when you're transitioning, you want to have maybe the screen change, um, turn it on, maybe it changes the effect, whatever. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a button again, same way as I did before. Oh, didn't want to do that. All right, so I'm going to change this to red so it's easy to see. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to select both of these. So click on this button, on the button itself, in this shape, and then I'm going to add it as a component. I'm going to name this one toggle just because I'm going to confuse myself otherwise. So when we add a component like this, you can see that it's one piece. And this isn't going to work the way it sits, trying to create a new button. So what I'm going to do is if I double click on the circle, then here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to slide it over here. Go ahead and just click off, click back on. We're going to call that the toggle state. Okay. And I just did it backwards. Okay, so I need to create a toggle state. And there it is. Now if I hit default, it'll go back and forth. So you can see where I made the mistake. Once you're here, you create the toggle, double click, move it over. And now that's it. On off, on off. So a few extra steps as far as creating extra screens, and this would work just if you're trying to turn something on here. Again, if you're trying to make this a transition into something else, um, if I'm turning something on and it's a different system, and then when I turn it off, it goes back. If that makes sense, then this would be the way to go. Otherwise, just for the sake of being able to turn something on, the only thing is, like I said, it doesn't link up to anything else. It's just a button.